Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. Today I want to discuss the deteriorated conditions of children at school levels in Pakistan. No doubt, Pakistan has been facing multifarious problems in its education sector since the creations. Ladies and gentlemen, everybody, either he belong to elite classes or poor classes, has a craze for education. Along with having least resources, they give first priority to education. Therefore, the government should give first priority to education in its national agenda. No doubt, the conditions of the children is in front of us. They are not properly dressed, wearing local shoes. Ladies and gentlemen, they are unaware about cleanliness. Some of them are dirty. They have not balanced diets. They hardly afford simple food. Even some of them have dal and bread only once or twice a day. After leaving the school, such children have to go to fields. They are to be considered as companions of their parents. They go to the agricultures where they have to work overnights. There is no question mark on their intelligence, on their IQ levels. They are energetic, they are competent. We must realize that education is the most powerful weapon which we use to change the world. No country can really progress unless its citizens are educated. We must here realize that सादत सियादत इबादत है इल्म, हुकूमत है दौलत है ताकत है इल्म. ये पूछो किसी मर्द मुख्तार से, कलम तेज़ चलता है तलवार से. तो लेडीज़ एंड जेंटलमैन, टुडे पाकिस्तान stands at the crossroads where there is an urgent needs of education emergency. Along with this, teachers of such institutions, they must well dressed, they should be highly knowledgeable, they must be committed, they should be regular, punctual, they should be hard worker. Ladies and gentlemen, we should not compromise on our upcoming generation, because children of today are the future of tomorrow. They are the nation builders. They are the future of Pakistan. They are the star of this nation. So government must provide them facilities. They should be given balanced diets. Along with having balanced diet, they should be given good health facilities. Along with this, ladies and gentlemen, there are some suggestions. We must focus on creative education. We must focus on characterful education. ये जो सिस्टम और ट्रेडिशंस है कि हैविंग गुड मार्क्स, परसेंटेज, मीन स्कोर्स, बजाय इसके कि हमें क्रिएटिव एजुकेशन देनी है ताकि हमारे बच्चे जो हैं इन फ्यूचर अच्छा परफॉर्म करें. उनकी जो एनालिटिकल अप्रोच है वो अच्छी होनी चाहिए. उनके अंदर जो ट्रस्ट है, कॉन्फिडेंस है, वो उनका मैक्सिमम बूस्ट होना चाहिए. तो ये चीज़ें जो हैं, दीज आर मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट, दीज आर मोर एसेंशियल्स, एंड आई होप फॉर द बेस्ट के थ्रू सच स्टेप्स Pakistan would be able on the track which leads to its real destinations. तो मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप इसको लाइक्स करेंगे, शेयर करेंगे और सब्सक्राइब भी करेंगे. दुआओं में याद रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.